Scrubbing the bathtub is definitely not one of my favorite jobs, but, well, sometimes you've just got to get it done. As a physical therapist, I see this task as one of the most difficult and dangerous jobs around the house. There's bending and kneeling and twisting, pushing and reaching, and just crazy amounts of repetition. Grab a towel to help cushion your knees on the floor. While kneeling, our kneecaps get squished against the rest of the knee. There's a groove that the kneecap is supposed to be resting in, and if it's in that groove, kneeling for short periods of time should be no problem. If you've got a tight muscle along the side of your thigh, however, then you're vulnerable to painful compression and even that kneecap popping out of place while getting up after kneeling. Bending and leaning up over the tub isn't the best for ergonomic situations either. Bend from your waist and hips rather than rounding out your back as much as possible. And it's absolutely encouraged to utilize leaning on the tub edge. Depending on its height and your height, you might be leaning on it with your belly, your lower ribs, or for sure, you can support the weight of your upper body with your non-scrubbing arm. On to the scrubbing arm. Try to keep your shoulder blade muscles engaged. Keep them back like you're pushing your chest forward. The shoulder blades should be down and back and your neck relaxed. This will keep the arm in the best position in your shoulder socket, and it will also help out with keeping your back in a better position too. I find that when I scrub the tub, I've got my elbow mostly straight, I've got to push down against the tub bottom, and I make little like circle motions or a back and forth motion. I find my arm gets tired from this, but you know what? Take some breaks. Switch to your non-dominant arm. This isn't calligraphy, so who cares if you're not super coordinated? Scrub, scrub, scrub. Keep your shoulders back in their best position and take breaks as you need them. No one's telling you that you need to clean the whole tub all on the same day. Here are some stretches to help your knees, back, shoulders, and arms tolerate this tormenting task a little more tolerably. Good luck.